Hi everyone, it's Discount Diva here, and I have another delightful Dollar Tree haul. This one is just toys. I picked up a few toys for the girls. Excuse me. I picked up a few items for the girls, and I also picked up a new item that I found, which I thought was quite interesting. So I'm gonna reveal to you what I found. It was about maybe two things that I had never seen in the toy section. And then I went by the, excuse me, like the crayons and the stationery section, and I found something else that I found new to me also. So, I'm going to show you my Dollar Tree haul. And the newest item that I found was, ta-da, a slime kit by Creative Kids, and it's called Goozuka. And it's a slime lab, and it tells you how you can make it. It comes with one wooden stick, one packet of guar gum, and it says ages 8 and up. And you pretty much make your own slime. So you have it and you could stretch it out and squeeze it. So this would be a nice fun thing for me to do with the girls. So I picked up 3. And I'm also gonna record this. 2, 3. So we're gonna do it together as a fun activity. I figure this would be something nice for us to do. Not keep them entertained. So I picked that up. I thought this was the most cutest little toy, and it's 4 pieces. It's a puppy play set. My girls are into filling up bowls with water and just doing experiments, and I figured this would be a cute little thing for them to just fill up the bowl for the little puppy. And it's for ages 3 and up by Puppy Playset, and it's a puppy with 2 bones and a bowl. So this one came in the purple, and then I picked up the one in pink, like a lighter pink. So it kind of looks similar, but one is a little darker. You see that? One is purple, one is pink. So I picked them up one each. Then I picked up a portable silly phone. And this one is for ages 2 and up. And I'm guessing that you pull a little thing in the back, and then you can start pressing the buttons. But it does say to unscrew the batteries. Unscrew battery compartment to insert 2x3 button. So I don't know if it already comes with batteries, but we'll see. It says it says it's included. It uses 2 batteries, 1.5 batteries. Batteries are included for demonstration purposes only and may be replaced by the consumer. Okay, so this is good that it already comes with a battery. So this will be cute. It says camera, click, tick tock, buzz, ding. So it makes all the little sounds. So this is a cute little toy. They could just put in their purse and they pretend they're on the phone like, hello, yes, how you doing? You just called me? Kids love to have these little kinds of phones. And remember I was making the baby basket, so I saw they had these brush and combs by the Sesame Street Beginnings, and this is Cookie Monster. They had Elmo and they had baby bird, because it's not a big bird, so baby bird. So I picked this up to add it to the basket, and this is it. this is my small haul, my toy haul. I will have more coming up. And like I said, this is, by the way, this is a Dollar Tree headband. By the way, guys, thank you for all the likes, the comments, new subscribers. I see you. Thanks for the love, and thanks for watching my videos. I hope that they're interesting to you. I hope that I'm able to bring you new items, because I do go out searching for new items of the week or things that are new to me, things that I haven't seen, because I do hit up a lot of different Dollar Trees. And you know, I like to go down my aisles and see the kind of things that they always have. And then when I see new items like this slime lab kit, I pick it up. And then this little phone I haven't seen. And then the 4-piece puppy playset. So that is it, guys. Hope you guys are having a wonderful time wherever you are, whatever time you are. And till next time, Discount Diva here. So happy that I'm able to make these videos for you guys, and you guys watch them and enjoy them. Till next time, Discount Diva here.